Today's craving recipe is how to make golden free chicken tenders. Start with fresh, tender chicken breast and slice it into thin finger strips. Transfer the chicken strips into a mixing bowl. Sprinkle a pinch of salt over the chicken. Add a pinch of black pepper for a bold flavor. Now sprinkle chili flakes evenly over the chicken strips. Next, add ginger powder to enhance the taste. Give it a good mix to coat the chicken evenly. Crack an egg into a small bowl. Now beat the egg thoroughly. Now place all your chicken, egg, flour and breadcrumbs together. Take a chicken strip and coat it well in the flour. Next, dip the flour-coated chicken into the beaten egg. Then roll it in the breadcrumbs, making sure the crumbs fully cover the chicken piece. Repeat the same process for all the chicken strips. Now heat oil in a kadai. Gently place the coated chicken tenders into the hot oil. Let them fry until they turn crispy and golden brown. Flip the chicken fingers to cook both sides evenly. Once they are perfectly fried, take them out and place them on a tissue-lined plate. And there you have it. Crispy, crunchy fried chicken fingers ready to enjoy. And that's today's Crave Missed Craving recipe. Enjoy!